My name is Mujahid Islam. I am honored to stand here today to speak on this special day. First of all, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of India. As we all know, on August 15, 1947, India became free from British rule. It's a day to remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. Courage and determination gave us the gift of freedom. Independence Day reminds us of our duty to our nation. We should work hard, stay united, and make our country proud. At last, I want to say that I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. So much thanks for everyone. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.